Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If the microphone is not working in your Zoom app, then watch this video for the solution. Now the first thing we need to do is check whether the microphone we are using is set as default in Zoom. For that we need to click on your picture or your initials here in the top right corner, and then we need to go to settings and we need to click on audio. Now we need to make sure that this microphone is set as the default. We'll come to know because when we speak into the microphone, the input level bar will start moving. The next thing we need to check if the permissions have been granted to the Zoom app for the microphone. So right click on the start button, go to settings, click on privacy and security, and then go to microphone, and then we can see that Zoom has access to my microphone. If it didn't, then Zoom would have been shown in the bar here, and all we had to do is just click on the on tab and it will automatically go into this list. Now the next thing we need to check if microphone is set as the default device. So I will search for sounds here and go to change system sounds. Here I will click on the recording tab and I will right click on this, and I will first make sure that it is enabled, and then I can go to these microphones. I can set them as default. So if I want to set this microphone as default, then I will set as default device if it is activated. Like I can set here as default device. If you see this, I can set as default device. So we need to do that, and then we can do two more things if these solutions don't work. Normally these solutions should work, but in the case they don't, then the first thing we need to do is we need to update the audio drivers. So for that we'll go to device manager and we'll expand the audio inputs and outputs. We will go to the microphone that we're using, click on update driver, and then search automatically for drivers. And the final thing we need to do is run the audio troubleshooter. So right click on the start button, go to settings, and then go to system, scroll down for troubleshoot, other troubleshooters, and then click run on the audio troubleshooter. And this microphone should start working on Zoom right away. If this video helped you, then kindly subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.